Hello students of Standard First, DAV Mall Public School. Welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha. Today we are going to learn new topic. This topic is Tommy the Pet, and this topic is taken from your English reader. Let's start. First tell me, do you have any pet? Okay, let's start. Tommy the Pet. Anil and Alka go to the market. Who go to the market? Anil and Alka. Anil says, these two dots means says. Anil says, I have a big bag. Who says? Anil says, I have a big bag. Alka says, I have a small bag. Who have small bag? Alka have small bag. I have money in it. First tell me, do you know what is meant by market? Yes, market means where we go and purchase something. And money, from which we can get something, purchase something. That is currency, means money. Anil says, Tommy is a dog. Tommy is a dog. It has a bun. Tommy is a dog. It has a bun. Look at this. This is Tommy. Anil and Alka go to the market and they saw Tommy. Tommy is a dog. Tommy is a dog. It has a bun in his mouth. Anil and Alka are in the shop. Now Anil and Alka are in the shop. Anil says, look at that car. Anil says, look at the car. It has black wheels. The car has black wheels. It means the car has black wheels. Alka says, look at the jeep. It has red wheels. The red car has black wheels and jeep has red wheels. Who shows it? Alka and Anil shows it. Anil buys the car and Alka buys the jeep. Anil buys the car and Alka buys the jeep. The car and the jeep are in the bag. Look at this. Car and jeep are in the bag. Anil and Alka are in the bus. Now they are going to home, so they are in the bus. Anil and Alka are in the bus. Anil says, look at the rabbits. Look, they saw a rabbit. When they are going to home, on the way they saw rabbit. They have long ears. Who have long ears? Rabbits have long ears. Rabbits have long ears. Anil and Alka are back home. Now they are at home. In the first stanza we saw that they are going to market and then they are in the shop. They buy car and jeep. Then they are in the bus. They saw rabbits. Now they are in the home. They are back home. Anil says, Mama, I have a car. Alka says, I have a jeep. They look in the bag. Oh, the car is not in the bag. What happened? Where is the car? They look that the car is not in the bag. They become scared. Then Anil says, "Wow, Tommy has a car. Wow, Tommy has a car. I am happy. Who has a car? Yes, Tommy has a car." Anil saw that Tommy has a car. The car is not in the bag, the car is in the Tommy's mouth. Look at this. Alka says, "I have a nice pet." Who is the pet in the story? Yes, dog. Dog is the pet in the story. Tommy. Tommy is the pet dog. They proud that they have a nice pet, Tommy. Understood? Now the exercise from this lesson. Answer the question. Answer the following questions. First one is, who has a big bag? Who has a big bag? Yes, Anil has a big bag. Anil has a big bag. And Alka has a small bag, as we learn in the lesson. Students, note down in the copy this question answers. Okay? Who has a bun? Tommy has a bun. Who has a bun? Tommy has a bun. Who have a long ears? Yes, rabbits. Rabbits have long ears. Then next question. What does Anil buy from the shop? What does Anil buy from the shop? Yes, the answer is Anil buys car from the shop. And Alka? Alka buys jeep from the shop. Okay. Now the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Alka has a small bag. Alka has a small bag. We use have when we use have, we learn in the previous videos. We use have with I, they, we and you. Okay? And we use has with it, she, he and singular number. Alka has a small bag. Then the jeep has red wheels. The rabbits have long ears. Here is rabbits, so we use have. Rabbits have. Alka has a jeep. Tommy has a car. Alka has a nice pet. Okay, these are the exercise from this lesson. Complete this exercise. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.